Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Brother MFC-J1360DW printer. If this is a brand new printer, you can follow the quick setup guide that came with the printer to do the initial setup. Like you can unbox your printer, power on your printer, load the ink cartridges, and load the paper, and also print basic the test page that print when you install the ink cartridges. So this is how it's all done. You must have received this quick setup guide with the printer. So follow the instruction. You can see all the parts that came with the with this with this printer, and then you have instruction step by step how to load the paper here, and then load the cartridges, and then you can also print the test page, okay, after loading the cartridge. So now you can go ahead and download the software if you want to set up the printer to your computer wirelessly. To do that, you need to go to the support.brother.com, this website, and then you need to go to the download here, right? So click on, that's where you have to enter your printer model number. So I'm going to enter that printer. I'm going to type MFC J1360DW. So when I click search here, you will see the printer will appear here. So this is the printer, and now you have to select which operating system you have. So in my case, I have Windows 11. You could have Mac operating system or any other devices. So you can select as per your operating system, and then click OK. When you click OK, you have this option here, so you can download the easy setup guide or the full driver and the software. So it's better to download the full software and the driver package. So because in this you can get all the scanning software and everything, all the tools of the Brother printer. So when you click on this one, and then again you have to scroll down and click on this agree to this download. When you click on that one, it will start downloading the file in the browser at the top right corner. If you have any other browser, so it should appear at the top and right corner. So once it's downloaded, you need to double click on the downloaded file and run the setup file, and it will give you step by step instruction to set up the printer to the network. It will also help you to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network. Now if you have any problem, you can also contact me. I will put my contact number in the video description, and I will also provide you the manual and the easy setup guide link to the in the description also, so you can click and follow the guide. All right, so if you have any other problem, you can contact me. Thank you so much. You have a nice day.